So this is a quick video on how easy the hay box is to use. It's a bog standard free range supermarket chicken. Pack some veg around it. A bit more. That'll do. A couple of stock cubes. Water to fill it. Gonna need a bit more of that, but that's the kettle's boiled, so it's just going to cut down on the amount of gas I need. So I'll put a bit more water on. So that's fairly full. That's like, I don't know, about a centimetre from the top. Make sure that everything's mostly below the water line. What I'll do, the lid, and keep that on full until it comes back to a boil. So it's been over 6 hours since this was put in. It's done. So let's have a look. Still really full, of course, so really carefully. Let's have a look.
Have you checked this up to this point?
No, I've left it completely sealed up because I don't want to drop any. If you let it open it, you've got to bring it back up to temperature again.
Ah.
So let's have a look. Let's see if I can get it out intact. Oh, that's hot. And that, so we've got all the veg done, we've got the chicken, I put some peas on earlier, so I got them to eat separately. Let's have some dinner. Kill it.